incomes till about 12 lakhs are exempt, which essentially puts more money in the hand of people.
Your questions on the budget, we've got them sorted. Here comes sounds of budget.
India's direct tax regime is very competitive and progressive. Incomes till about 12 lakhs are exempt, which essentially puts more money in the hand of people, which could be used towards consumption or investment. At the same time, the global investment framework has been partly liberalized. NRIs and PROIs can now invest into the listed equity space. That threshold has been raised from 5% to 10%. So any investors looking to blend their global exposure with India-based exposure will be in a better position to do so.
Your questions on the budget, we've got them sorted. Here comes sounds of budget.